Hello and welcome back. This is Stevie Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. I have a very unusual thing, and it's all in this plastic bag. Just as a moment of interest, if you are hearing a little bit of a whirring noise in the background, I do apologise, but it's an extremely hot day and I've got a fan on. So to get back to this, what do I have here? I have a gift from a certain person. So let's open it up and show you what he sent to me. It's a very generous man. I sent him just recently a very I sent him a glass. Now some of you remember that, you'll know what I'm talking about. That might give you a clue. It's cut off the parcel when it came, and it's a tree, drawing of a tree. And if that doesn't give it away to you, this will. It's a letter from the master himself, Dan Temple. For those of you who don't know Master Temple, or Dan Temple, he's a master through his rank in Taekwondo. And he says, "Hi there, my fantastic artist, numismatic friends, Steve at Bucks Coins." And he's thanking me to becoming a member of the Treasures channel, which is the Painting with Master Temple, and Master Temple's Treasures, which is his coin collecting channel. Here are some tokens, some little tokens of appreciation. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for all your support. It means the world to me. Keep up the great work on your channel. Happy days, Dan. Then underneath it says, "Sorry for the delay, happy days," and then there's a drawing of his figure. Now the reason he put that on was I sort of contacted him and said, "Dan, you said you were going to send me something over. Have you sent it yet? Because I've not yet received it." And he said no, he'd been very busy. He is a very busy man. He works full time, and he does what he does, the painting and the other stuff, as a secondary item. So I sort of said, "Don't worry. The fact that you're sending it me, I'm very grateful for, and whenever you can get them to me, that's fine." There we go. In here we have two of his stickers. There's one from the Treasures channel, which is his coin collecting channel, and there's one from his painting channel. Those will go into my sticker collection. We then have a bag of bits and pieces. The first one is, let's get down a bit. It's a Dan Temple, the drawing of him in his Taekwondo kit on a Benjamin bunny, and that will be flipped and go into my collection of signed bunnies. He sent me over, when we were emailing each other and talking, he said, "I've got space South Yorkshire coins signed Benjamin bunny, would you like it?" And I went, "Yes please." So he sent me that as well. So I have two signed coins for the price of one. So South Yorkshire coins as well. Thank you for sending it to Dan, so Dan can send it to me. And they both are items that will go into my collection. Next I have something a little bit different. Let's see if we can get that in a bit closer without going too much out of focus. There we go. It's a key ring, and on the key ring it's almost shaped like a 50p, and we have there the palm tree and the desert island, and Dan did that as a logo for me for the big coin that he sent me a couple of years back now. I think it was 2020, no, it's 2021, yeah, a couple of years ago, which is that coin there, which on the other side has the palm trees, which is also on that one. So he sent me that one on there, and then on the back it has Bucks coin and it has a skull and crossbones, which is to do with my Buccaneer type of persona type thing, and it's attached to a keyring, so that will be going on my keyring in the near future. So we have the keyring and the 2 signed bunnies. Those are back in the bag. Oh, I forgot to show you, on the back of the Master Temple signed bunny, he's also signed the Queen's side as Master Temple. Let's put the big coin out of the way, and then he sent me this in a piece of taped up tissue paper, and it's a 50p, so 50p type shaped coin, and it says, "Thank you Steve, happy days, Master Temple," on that side. And then on the other side it says Steve Bucks coins with the palm tree and island area. So wonderful, wonderful things to receive off Dan. And the one that blew me away a little bit, let's just put those in the bag and just put them out of the way for a second. And this one, let me just undo something, because this blew me away when I saw it. And let's just get up into the, come on. So there you go, it says happy days Steve. We've got the Christmas tree in there. It says happy days Steve, thank you, all the best Dan, Master Temple. That in itself is nice enough, but when you look at that, what a lovely gift to receive off Dan. He's renowned for his painting, and it's a piece of hardboard, and on there he's put me a mountain scene with the thing, and he signed it in black what do they call them, black felt tip, or what do they call them? I've forgotten what they call them, the actual name of them, the trade name of them, I've forgotten it. Silly Steve. But that, when I saw it, I couldn't believe that he'd taken his time to send me something that's taken him a lot of time and a lot of thought, just for me, as a gift. It blew me away. So thank you so much Dan. This is very, very special to me. I have 2 paintings that Dan did that I bought a little while ago, but to receive a painting from him free of charge is wonderful, and I can't thank you enough for that Dan. That will have a very special place on my rack of collectibles. I'll just put it back into this this plastic wallet, this plastic bag for the moment, so to keep it clean until I've got my space sorted out for it to go where it's going to go. So we have the painting, we have a keyring, we have 2 signed bunnies by different coin channels, we have the special 50p shaped thing from Dan, a couple of stickers and a lovely letter. Haven't I done well? I'm not sure I deserve it, but I'm so very happy to have it. The fact that he took his time to do both the keyring, that's the 50p shaped token coin, and the, just as importantly, the painting. It's blown me away. It's something very special to me. It's something that I will treasure for a very, very long time into the future. I'll put a link down to Dan's 2 channels in the comments area, in the description area, sorry. So if you've not gone and watched any of his stuff, he's a true comedian and a great laugh, and I hope very much one day to meet him. I've not been lucky enough to do that as yet, but I certainly hope to do so in the very near future. So, to Dan, thank you so very, very much for this. It's very special to me. Can you thank Dan from me in the comments if you feel like doing so? I do a minimum of 4 videos a week, so usually I release 5. I'm looking to improve my my subscriber count this year. I'm aiming for 250. I'm currently in the mid to late 180s. So I'm hoping to be able to get up to 250 by the new year. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you who buy coins, I hope you can get them for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, there's plenty of other videos for you to go and watch. Go and have some fun, and I'll see you again very shortly. From me, bye bye. Ta-da now.